MareHub Technologies. Today we're going through the setup of Exchange email addresses on your Android device. Before we get started, I recommend you have your Office 365 credentials. The credentials I'm referring to are your email address and the password for that email. We at MareHub set this up for you. You will have received these from us directly. If you don't have these credentials with you, I recommend you pause this video, get your credentials, and then come back to it. Alright, so here's where we're going to start. Depending on your Android version, it may look slightly different on your screen, but the steps you're going to follow are going to be very similar. You want to open up your app drawer so you can see all the applications installed on your device, and look for the one that looks like a gear and says Settings. The Settings menu, again, will look different depending on your version, but either way, you're going to scroll down near the bottom and look for Accounts. You're going to select Add an Account, and look for where it says Microsoft Exchange. Select that option. We're going to insert the credentials that we should have prior to watching this video. Let me input mine here. Okay, once you've input your information, just hit OK. It should automatically find the information that we're looking for. It'll take just a moment to pull this from the server. And when you see this pop up, you're going to click OK. This is your options if you want to change how often you receive your email. We're just going to leave these as the defaults. Here's what if you decide there's certain things that you do or don't want to sync. Generally, we're going to leave these all as the defaults. Scroll down, hit Next. Here it's going to ask you if you'd like to allow it to be a device administrator. We need to accept, so we hit the Activate button here. We've accepted, we hit Next. There we go. This is just if you want to name the account so it's easier for you to understand what it is. Especially if you have multiple email accounts set up on your phone, where there might be a personal, if you have ones with different email providers. So we're just going to name this our company name. Click Done. All right, now we'll be put back into our accounts, and now you see that we have a Microsoft Exchange account listed on our device. And if we go back to our home screen and look for the default email application, once you load it up, you'll see that you now have your inbox for the account that we added. It may take a few minutes for it to populate your emails the first time around, especially if it's an existing email account. You can use it immediately upon adding the account. You don't have to wait for them to sync, but it just might take a few minutes to see everything. And as we can see, we now have our email successfully set up on your Android device. Thank you for watching.